give a speech on Teachers' Day. 5th September is Teachers' Day. It is celebrated in India. Today is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was the great philosopher, scholar and a teacher. He was the first Vice President of India and the second President of India in 1962. After he became President, when his students came to him and sought his permission to celebrate his birthday on 5th September, he politely declined their request and suggested them to celebrate the day as Teachers' Day. The teachers are the friend, philosopher and guide. The teachers are the backbone of the society and the respected persons of students' life. They are the source of knowledge and wisdom. We should obey our teachers and follow their advices. It should be stated, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakya Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha. Thank you very much. I wishing you a happy Teachers' Day. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Happy Teachers' Day to all my wonderful teachers. Today I want to thank all my teachers who are taking so much of pain to teach us in this COVID time. I say thank you and thank you. So I want to show my dance to wonderful teachers.
There can be no substitute for a teacher, neither a library nor even internet. Good morning everyone. I am Samantha Dey from class 3A. Today is Teachers' Day and on this auspicious occasion, I want to speak a few words on my teachers. I really feel lucky to have such learned teachers at my school. My class teacher's name is Mrs. Nupur Majumdar ma'am. She teaches us maths and drawing. All her classes are so interesting. She explains everything so well. She's a kind-hearted woman. Even when she scolds us, I find love behind it. She's a great and lovely teacher. Another teacher is Miss Seema Lakra ma'am. She teaches us Hindi, English and craft. Trust me, she has expertise in both the languages, Hindi and English. She has a lot of patience. She gives chance to everyone and waits patiently for them to respond. I really like her so much and love her a lot. Teacher is Mrs. Shikha Sharkar ma'am. She teaches us environmental science. She teaches us in very simple language and gives examples to understand everything so easily. She looks very serious, but I know she isn't. I love all my teachers a lot. I equally pay respect to them. Dear teachers, I pray for your good health, safety and long life. Thank you. Have a nice day and I also wish you a very happy Teachers' Day.
This song is for all my teachers. We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन। इस जीवन में पढ़ना लिखना हमको सिखाए हैं, अनसुलझे सवालों को पल में सुलझाए हैं। डांटे या डराए हमको आँखों से, प्यार झलकता है उनकी हर बातों से। डांटे या डराए हमको आँखों से, प्यार झलकता है उनकी हर बातों से। हमसे अगर हो कोई कथा तो आप सुधारे हैं, हमें अगर हो कोई कला तो आप निखारे हैं। माना कि हम कल बड़े हो जाएंगे, आप हमेशा यूं ही याद आएंगे। माना कि हम कल बड़े हो जाएंगे, आप हमेशा यूं ही याद आएंगे। We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything, for everything, for everything.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम है कनवकार। 5 सितंबर टीचर्स डे के उपलक्ष्य पर मैंने एक ग्रीटिंग कार्ड बनाया हूँ। मैं अपने समस्त शिक्षक गण से ये आग्रह करता हूँ कि कृपया इसे ग्रहण करें। ये बुक है, ये बुक है, ये कलमदानी है, यह बोर्ड है। धन्यवाद।
सुप्रभात, मैं दीपान्विता मंडल कक्षा तीसरी अ में पढ़ती हूँ। मैं आज आपके सामने शिक्षक दिवस पर कुछ बोलना चाहती हूँ। सभी शिक्षक शिक्षिकाएं और मेरा दोस्तों को मेरा नमस्ते। हम सब यह शिक्षक दिवस मनाने के लिए उपस्थित हुई है। हर साल 5 सितंबर को शिक्षक दिवस मनाकर हम अपने शिक्षकों को सम्मान देते हैं। शिक्षक हमारे भविष्य का निर्माण करते हैं। हम बच्चे देश का भविष्य है। शिक्षक हमारे मार्गदर्शन करके हमें आदर्श नागरिक बनाते हैं। शिक्षक वो दीपक है जो हमारे अंदर ज्ञान का उजाला भरते हैं। टीचर्स डे सभी छात्रों के लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। इसके साथ ही सभी शिक्षकों को हार्दिक बधाई। धन्यवाद। आपका दिन शुभ हो।
Hello everyone, wish you all a happy Teachers Day. I am Shuman Chakraborty. This is my presentation. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. T for talented. E for elegant. A for awesome. C for charming. H for helpful. E for efficient. R for respect. Happy Teachers Day. No words can express my gratitude towards you. I am really thankful to God for blessing me with a teacher like you. Thank you. Vaishali Bhattacharya. Today I will sing a song for my teachers in Teachers' Day. Day by day, you watch me how I grow, step by step with the knowledge that you sow. Right from wrong, you guide me in your way, for you are the reason of what I am today. So happy, 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 happy Teachers' Day. With love and prayer, smile and strength, you lead me in the way. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you on this day, for you are the reason of what I am today. Every time I fall, you make me stand again, inspire me to live and dream of life. Every time I fall, you make me stand again, inspire me to live a dream of life. Like a candlelight, you make my life so bright, every day to new lights. Success is from hard work, you taught me how to be greater. I may grow, still you will with me. Day by day, you watch me how I grow, step by step with the knowledge that you sow. Right from wrong, you guide me in your way, for you are the reason of what I am today. For you are the reason of what I am today. So you are the reason of what I am today. Thank you, ma'am.
को हमारे तुमने तराशा, आँखों में जागी तुमसे ही आशा, इरादों के बस्ते तुमने भरे, मुट्ठी में ख्वाबों की जुगनू रखे, गम छुपा के अपने खुशियों का पता दिया, कर्ज ये हम कैसे चुकाएंगे भला। टीचर शुक्रिया, टीचर शुक्रिया। क्लासरूम जब गुम थे, खोली तुमने ही खिड़कियां, वेलकम जिंदगी को हमें करना सिखा दिया। टीचर शुक्रिया, टीचर शुक्रिया। विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वर।
Good morning to all respected principal, teachers, parents and my dear friends. Wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. It is my honor to talk about our dear teachers on this wonderful occasion. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September every year in India. September 5th is marked by the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and Teachers' Day is celebrated in commemoration of his birthday. Thank you.
This is my Teachers' Day card. Happy Teachers' Day, sir and ma'am. Thank you.
Good evening. Today I, Bitan Barua, want to dedicate a short poem to my dearest teachers. For my teachers, as yellow as the sunshine, you welcomed us one by one. You were always ready and eager to have a new day of fun. Purple is for the patience you have shown throughout the year, helping us through our problems and making them also clear. The color red represents our class and all the friends we have made, and green is for the colored go as we move up to the next grade. Blue is how we feel knowing the year must end. We wish you summer and well wishes we do send. Thank you so much, my teachers.
Hello everyone, my name is Suresh Kumar Tarve. Today we celebrate our Teachers' Day. So enjoy my song. This song is dedicated to all my beloved teachers. You guided me when I was lost. You supported me when I was weak. You have enlightened me all through. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Day. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Day. आप जो पढ़ाएंगे हम पढ़ते जाएंगे, आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे हम। ना कभी रुकेंगे हम, ना कभी झुकेंगे हम, जो भी चाहे वो बन जाएंगे। Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Day. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Day. आपके मान को, आपके सम्मान को ना कभी झुकने देंगे हम। Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Day. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Hello, I am Kiran Chaudhary. I want to sing a song for my respected teachers. Hello,